Why do 70% of tech enthusiasts dread the reset your PC screen? Let's fix it together. First up, try the reset this PC option. Choose keep my files to reset Windows without losing your personal stuff. Easy, right? Next, dive into advanced options if you want more control. You've got tools like System Restore to roll back to a working state, or Startup Repair to fix boot issues. Feeling adventurous? Use Command Prompt for commands like sfc/scano or ikdesc to scan and repair corrupt files. Or uninstall recent updates if they're the culprit. Still not working? Consider reset this PC, but choose remove everything for a fresh start. This wipes all data, so make sure you're prepared for a clean slate. If none of these work, you might have a hardware issue. Check your storage drives, RAM, or power supply. Start with reset this PC and keep your files. If it doesn't cut it, explore advanced options for deeper fixes. And if all else fails, go for a full reset. Got it? Great. Hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes.